Hi, boys and girls. Today you are going to be comparing and contrasting the sun and the moon. Now, this is an expert activity. So you're going to be able to talk about all the things, all those fun facts you know about the sun and all of the facts you know about the moon. And you're also going to be able to talk about how they're the same. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm going to start with my fun fact about the sun. The sun is a star. I bet you have a bunch of fun facts about the sun that you can write. Why don't you try to write 1 or 2 or 3 facts? Go ahead, pause the video and write your sun facts on this side. Welcome back. Are you ready to write some facts about the moon? Here's my fact. Wow. The moon is very hot during the day, but very cold at night. I bet you have some awesome facts about the moon that are different from my facts. If you don't have any facts, you can always go on Get Epic and learn about the moon. Now, you might be wondering what goes in the middle. This is when we're talking about how the sun and the moon are the same. You're going to write how the sun and the moon are the same. I wrote, how are they the same? I want you to figure that out. A challenge question, a bonus on the back for a dojo point. If you write a sentence or two explaining how they are the same and different, you can earn a dojo point. Have fun!